hard objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 518, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina, Brunswick and Columbus, and the following counties in South Carolina, Dillon, Florence, Georgetown, Horry, Marion, and Williamsburg, and coastal waters from Little River Inlet to Murrells Inlet, South Carolina, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.